Hello everyone, Ritu Kaushal here with you again, your friend, always with you. I'm Usui Reiki Grandmaster, Lama Fera Master, Yog Maya teacher, Merlin Trinity healer, and Master, Angel expert, Tarot reader, Oracle card reader, and I am teaching many Reiki courses like Karmic Reiki, Karunaki Reiki, Attraction Reiki, Money Reiki, Elemental Reiki, and teaching DNA healing as well. So today I am going to talk about a very serious topic of present. How we create low frequencies on social media. Now these days it is very simple to see people shift their mood from high to low on very small incidents. As some become angry on sitting of a dog on a road or any animal if they see, just they become angry why it is sitting here, why it is eating here, we don't want him, we don't like him. Or a simple message of good morning or forwarded message on WhatsApp or other messengers is enough to shift the mood from positive to negative, happy to sad, irritated. So it all hurts us only. We easily see now these days people put a status that please don't send video because it takes a data a lot and I cannot manage it. I don't like to see videos, please don't send me. These kind of attitudes make them intolerant. Our power to tolerance is simply and easily we are draining on small incidents of life. This kind of attitude shows how intolerant we are, how much stress we carry always on our weak shoulders. We are always busy to create heaven outside, but inner layer is broken. As we easily say, yes, I need a AC, I need a bike, expensive car, expensive mobile phones. But after having a beautiful, expensive mobile phone, Apple iPhone, Xiaomi, or any phone, what is our attitude? We are irritated because someone is sending me message, or someone is calling me, or someone is writing something for me. So these all are only showing our own weaknesses. If we have a strong inner state, so whatever happening around us is not making a single difference in my mood. Many people send messages, but it is not affecting me because I am strong from inside. Any message is not bothering me. Send me how many message you want to send me. I will not respond for a single message because I do not feel negative with it. In my personal experience, many people send me messages in morning, but I never feel irritation or frustration. Just I see them, or many times I see them all at once and reply as I feel free, because generally I don't have proper words to give in response, because as the person is sending me in message, I have to give the positive way for that message. Some good morning messages are so beautiful that I keep them safe. Sometimes I delete them. But this is my own process. When I feel a mood, when I feel to do that, I do. I do not take it as a punishment that in morning I have to reply everyone. And everyone knows that Ritu will respond as she will feel to respond, because I want to give my best to everyone. So as I get the best response, I just forward to all of them. It is not punishment for me and for others. But I create a thought with it. This was never happening with me. It is happening now because I created a thought. I see these messages are messages of God for me. He is sending his divine messages by this way. And yes, I feel relaxed with these messages and feel a little bit interest in it. Many messages are very enlightening and I really appreciate people those are sharing their meditation lines or quotations with me. Thank you, all of them. This is a creating of state of mind because a single message cannot bother me. I am strongest than these small things. These kind of incidents are not making me weak, not creating a frustration in me, and you will not get any negative remark from me. Even I am not going to think anything negative about you. Many people think if someone is sending you message, if someone is writing for you, that person is an idiot and that person does not have work in his or her own life. But I feel this kind of behavior shows a person is separating a precious piece of time for me in his whole proceedings of the day. So this is a beautiful way to thinking and a great way to realize and deal the situation. Finally, control is in my hand. I can avoid all messages by single tap. I can remain silent by not seeing them. But when anger and frustration appears, that shows now control is not in my hand. If I need to say, please do not send me messages because it is not nice for me, or I want to be busy in my own personal groups, so please don't send me messages. This is showing your attitude, not others. It is showing weakness, your inner state and inner aura. Next excuse comes, I am busy. I am very busy. That I do not have time to see all this. Whole day we misguide our energy and then enjoy the same fruit. If you say whole day that I am very busy, I don't have time, so definitely you are not going to have time for your small proceedings of the day. We should affirm before sleep in the night that yes, I have time for everything and I will manage all perfectly. See the change in next morning. So from today we start saying, yes, I have time and everything I will do on time, or I will do all on time. Next, for social media management, this is a simple app. I can close it anytime. So why to bother myself? I am relaxed and at ease in all situations. I can mute the notifications. I can remove the contact. I can put that window on silent. I have many options except being disturbed by this small window. I am very positive about my decisions. I am very positive about others' messages and guidance. By showing yourself busy or by saying that I am less active now, so please don't send me messages, it is only showing how poor auric field or inner status you have. Learn to avoid and choose peace with messages. If you don't like, so silently move. Do not make lower vibration remarks. Not for others, but only for you. Because others will realize this person is faking now. But final outcome is you. You are creating that energy in your aura and chakra system. After all, you are the one who shared your details to take advantages. And now it is bothering you because advantage time is over. It makes your own aura weak. So for small offers, avoid sharing personal details and never use lower frequency gestures to walk away. Just be strong, strengthen yourself, because always time never remains same. It would be more ugly if you keep yourself aside from everyone in this way, and one day you get back to all of them and ask help to them, and that would be a very ugly situation, and it will create more lower energy between the relations. So keep your chakra system vibrant with positive thought, positive affirmations, and do not move your stillness which you kept inside. It is said in all healing modalities, maintain the stillness of your inner self. It is our own wish to accept others. It doesn't make any sense what is coming in my social media profile, social media app, social media messenger. It only affects when you give reaction to that post. If you cannot deal with it, so definitely you should walk away to all media houses like Facebook, LinkedIn, or everything. Delete for 1 month, relax and meditate in yourself. Find out your purest form and be happy. When you feel that now you managed yourself, then again come back to the wall and start. I hope this will give you a beautiful relaxation and ease and peace both. Ritu Kaushal, your friend Serenity Reiki, and you can write email to me on kaushalreiki@gmail.com. This video too is a result of few people's query. So please send me emails about your problems, and I will create a video on that so other people too can take the advantages. Thank you very much all of you, and be ready for on 5th June because it is a huge eclipse, so I will post for that too. Thank you.